Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm trying to share with you something truly special, an exceptional product that embodies nature's remarkable healing properties, aloe vera soap. Aloe vera, as we all know, has been cherished for years for its super health benefits. This wonder plant is renowned for its ability to soothe, hydrate, heal, and rejuvenate the skin. Now, imagine harnessing all these incredible qualities in a soap. So, stay with me as we dive deeper into the fascinating world of making our own aloe vera soap at home. The first thing to do after plucking your aloe vera leaf is to ensure that you wash it properly to remove every dust particles that must have settled on it while outside. Then you go ahead to cut it into smaller sizes. Thereafter, cut off the sharp side using a knife or your potato peeler. Next step, transfer the aloe vera into a bowl of water and allow it to sit for 30 minutes to 1 hour to help remove the yellow latex which might be sensitive to the skin. After 30 minutes or 1 hour as the case may be, rinse it properly. You can do this 2 to 3 times to remove it completely. After the rinse, tap your aloe vera with towel. You can do this with either paper towel or your kitchen towel to help remove every water from it. The aloe vera already contains water, so we don't need more water in it. After dapping it, then go ahead and start cutting your aloe vera into smaller pieces. This is to allow it to blend easily. Now we're all done slicing the aloe vera. Next step is to transfer into our blender and blend. After blending the aloe vera, go ahead and sieve it using a cheesecloth, a hanky, or you can even use your old host. Here we go, our green aloe vera juice. Now that our aloe vera juice is ready, we will now bring in our soap base. Here's our soap base. This is half of the soap base. I'm going ahead to use half of this. So we'll cut it into smaller pieces. Thereafter, transfer it into a stainless bowl. We'll be placing this stainless bowl over a pot of boiling water. I already have my water boiling on fire. Here we go. So I'm just gonna place the stainless bowl containing the soap base on the pot for it to melt. It starts melting within a few seconds, as you can see. Now it's properly melted and we're going to transfer our aloe vera juice into the soap base. I'm also going to be adding some essential oil to it to make the soap even better. So first we have our moringa oil, and then we have the tea tree oil. Both moringa and tea tree are as good as aloe vera to the skin, so I've decided to combine all three for maximum benefits. We then go ahead and mix everything, then transfer the mixture into our soap mold. First of all, I'm oiling the soap mold. This is to enable the soap come out easily after it's dried. Wow, we're gonna have 6 tablets of soap. Now we're going to keep it aside until it hardens properly. It might have to take up to 24 hours to harden. Now it's over 24 hours already and my soap has hardened. You can choose to put it in the fridge for it to harden faster. And here we go, our aloe vera soap is ready. This aloe vera soap will gently cleanse your skin of all forms of impurities while simultaneously moisturizing it. This makes it suitable for all skin types, whether you have dry, oily, sensitive, or you're battling any form of skin blemishes. Aloe vera soap is the answer you need. So let me know, will you be making one at home? Just look at how beautiful it even looks. I love this soap. I'll be using mine to bath. You can use it to bath, you can use it for hand washing, you can use it for face washing. It is suitable to be used as a face soap, hand soap, or even bathing soap. I'd like to thank you all for watching to this point while I go ahead to take my bath with my aloe vera soap without wasting time. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Maria Oga, and on this channel I talk about self-care and how to care for your skin and hair using natural products. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate your stopping by always. If it's your first time, please kindly go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you will see more of my videos whenever I drop one. I bet you will love what I'm doing here. So until I see you guys next time, I would love to call it a day. Bye.